Back pain, neck tension, and knee aches are more common than ever, and for many people, they're a daily struggle. Whether it's long hours at a desk, bad posture, or just getting older, the discomfort can affect your energy, focus, and quality of life. But here's the good news. You don't always need pills, doctors, or expensive therapy to find relief. There are smart, affordable products out there designed to fix the root causes of your pain naturally. In this video, we'll uncover 12 powerful tools and gadgets that people around the world are using to eliminate chronic pain, especially in the back, neck, and knees. These aren't gimmicks. Many are backed by science, tested by thousands, and designed to work silently in the background while you go on with your day. So, if you're tired of suffering and ready to move through life without pain dragging you down, stay with us. These products could change the way you sit, stand, sleep, and feel. The first product that's helping people ditch back pain for good is the Smart Posture Corrector. This compact device sticks comfortably between your shoulder blades and uses gentle vibrations to alert you when you're slouching. It's like having a mini coach, reminding you to sit or stand tall throughout the day. Over time, it helps realign your spine and reduce pressure on your lower back and shoulders. What's amazing is that it doesn't force you into a position, it trains your body to maintain it on its own. It connects to an app, tracks your posture patterns, and even sets daily goals to keep you accountable. People who use it say they feel lighter, taller, and less tense just after a week. It's completely silent, lightweight, and works under clothes without anyone noticing. Whether you're working from home or sitting through long classes, this little device can seriously improve your day. It doesn't just fix posture, it helps eliminate the tension that posture causes. Next, we have the Ergonomic Memory Foam Seat Cushion, a must-have for anyone with a desk job or long commute. Shaped to support your spine's natural curve, this cushion distributes your weight evenly and reduces pressure on your lower back and hips. It's made of high-density memory foam that never loses shape, even after hours of sitting. People often don't realize how much their chair contributes to their pain until they try this. It turns even hard plastic chairs into supportive seating. The U-shaped design helps reduce tailbone pressure, making it perfect for sciatica or herniated discs. It's also breathable, so no sweating during long hours. Whether you're gaming, working, or traveling, just throw it on any seat and feel the difference. Many users report a noticeable reduction in back stiffness after just a few days. It's portable, affordable, and highly effective. Sometimes, comfort starts with what's under you. Now, let's talk about the acupressure mat and pillow set, a natural pain reliever that's gaining massive popularity. Inspired by ancient Chinese medicine, this mat is covered with tiny spikes that press into your skin to release tension and stimulate blood flow. When you lie on it for just 10 to 20 minutes a day, it can relieve back and neck pain, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. It sounds intense, but thousands of people swear by it. At first, it may feel strange or slightly uncomfortable, but your body quickly adjusts and you'll feel waves of relaxation taking over. The pressure stimulates endorphin release, which naturally reduces pain. It also helps loosen tight muscles and relieve stiffness after long days. The pillow targets the neck and shoulders while the mat works your back and legs. It's drug-free, quiet, and requires zero effort. Just lie down and breathe. For anyone who wants non-invasive relief, this is a must-try. A modern solution for knee pain comes from the heated compression knee brace. This isn't your average knee sleeve. It combines 3 powerful elements: compression, heat therapy, and optional vibration, all in one. Slide it over your knee, turn it on, and within minutes, you'll feel soothing warmth seep into your joint. The adjustable straps provide stable compression, while the heat reduces stiffness and promotes circulation. Some versions also offer light vibration massage that eases inflammation and breaks up fluid buildup. Whether you suffer from arthritis, runner's knee, or post-workout soreness, this tool offers targeted therapy right where you need it. It runs on rechargeable batteries and can be used while watching TV or working. The mobility it restores is incredible. Many users say it's the one thing that finally got them back on their feet pain-free. If your knees are holding you back, this product brings comfort right to the source. For neck and upper back pain, the Neck Cloud Cervical Traction Device is a simple but powerful tool. It's shaped like a wave and cradles your neck when you lie down, gently stretching your spine and relieving pressure between the vertebrae. Most people don't realize how compressed their neck becomes over time, especially if they spend hours looking down at phones or laptops. This device counteracts that stress. In just 10 minutes a day, it decompresses the cervical spine, boosts blood flow, and helps realign posture. The foam material is soft but firm enough to support your head comfortably. Over time, it can reduce tension headaches, neck stiffness, and even help with herniated discs. It's a chiropractor-inspired solution you can use at home. Just place it under your neck, close your eyes, and let gravity do the work. It's a low-effort, high-impact fix for anyone suffering from neck, or stress-related tightness. Another overlooked product that fights pain is the adjustable standing desk converter. You might think it's just a desk, but it's actually a lifestyle upgrade. Sitting for long hours compresses your spine and tightens your lower back. But with this converter, you can switch from sitting to standing in seconds. It sits on your current desk and lifts your monitor and keyboard to the perfect standing height. This reduces lower back strain, improves posture, and increases blood flow. Many users say they feel more energized and less achy by midday. It's especially useful for people working from home or those in creative fields who need long stretches of focused work. Some versions come with extra compartments and cable organizers, making them super convenient. Pair it with an anti-fatigue mat for the full experience. If you're tired of work giving you pain, change your setup and feel the relief instantly. One of the most surprisingly effective tools for knee and joint pain is the deep tissue massage gun. It's like having a physical therapist in your hand. This handheld device uses powerful, percussive pulses to break up muscle knots, reduce inflammation, and stimulate blood flow deep in the tissues around the knees and lower back. With interchangeable heads and adjustable speeds, you can target everything from stiff quads to tight hamstrings areas that often pull on the joints and create pain. What makes it special is the control it gives you. Apply it exactly where it hurts, for exactly how long you need. It's ideal post-workout, after long days on your feet, or during flare-ups of chronic conditions. Even 5 minutes a day can dramatically improve flexibility and reduce soreness. Many users also use it on the lower back to ease tension and reduce sciatica-like pain. Rechargeable, cordless, and powerful, it's a must-have for active people and those with chronic joint issues. For those who wake up stiff or go to bed with back pain, the orthopedic lumbar support pillow can be life-changing. This memory foam cushion is specially contoured to fit the natural arch of your lower back, offering the support most mattresses fail to give. Whether you're a side sleeper, back sleeper, or someone who tosses and turns, this pillow keeps your spine aligned throughout the night. It helps relieve lower back pain by filling the gap between your body and the mattress, preventing strain on your muscles. Some versions also double as leg or knee support pillows, improving circulation while reducing hip pain. The foam is breathable and comes with a washable, hypoallergenic cover. Over time, people notice deeper sleep, fewer aches in the morning, and better posture. It's a simple fix, but one that makes a huge impact. You'll feel the difference on your very first night. Comfort, support, and healing all while you sleep. When it comes to simple solutions, the Gel Ice and Heat Therapy Wrap is an old-school product with a modern upgrade. This flexible wrap is filled with gel packs that can be frozen or microwaved, depending on what your body needs. Cold therapy reduces inflammation and numbs pain, perfect for fresh injuries or swelling. Heat therapy soothes stiffness and promotes blood flow, great for chronic pain or tight muscles. The wrap contours to your back, neck, or knee with adjustable straps that keep it in place as you move around. Unlike traditional heating pads or ice packs, it doesn't leak or slip off. It's reusable, fast-acting, and incredibly soothing. Many people keep one in the freezer at all times for quick relief. It's especially helpful after workouts, long drives, or stressful days. Just 20 minutes can make a huge difference. It's affordable, drug-free, and always ready when pain hits. Now, let's highlight a tool that's fixing posture and spinal alignment without electronics: the foam roller with spine channel. Unlike standard foam rollers, this one has a groove down the middle designed to protect your spine while targeting the muscles along both sides. When you lie down and roll slowly, it works to loosen the upper and lower back, relax tight shoulders, and release tension built up from bad posture. Athletes use it daily, but now office workers and homebodies are discovering its benefits. It helps improve flexibility, reduce nerve compression, and support better posture. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough to feel lighter and more mobile. It's perfect before bed, after workouts, or first thing in the morning. It requires no electricity, no apps, just gravity and motion. If you're dealing with that heavy, compressed back feeling, this simple roller can open things up like nothing else. Another modern innovation worth your attention is the Electrotherapy TENS unit. This small device sends low-voltage electrical pulses through the skin to stimulate nerves and block pain signals. It might sound intense, but it's safe, drug-free, and widely recommended by physical therapists. You simply place the adhesive pads on painful areas like your lower back, shoulders, or knees, and let the pulses work their magic. Many users describe it as a gentle tapping or tingling sensation that's oddly relaxing. It increases circulation, reduces inflammation, and encourages your body to release endorphins. With adjustable modes and intensity levels, it can be tailored to your exact needs. It's especially helpful for chronic conditions like arthritis, sciatica, or muscle fatigue. Small enough to carry in your bag, it's pain relief on demand without side effects or appointments. If you've tried everything and still feel sore, this might be your breakthrough. And finally, we come to the Balance and Stability Wobble Board, an unexpected hero in the fight against knee and lower back pain. This simple tool looks like a flat disc, but when you stand on it, your muscles spring into action to keep you steady. Over time, it strengthens your core, improves posture, and activates the stabilizer muscles that protect your joints. Physical therapists use it to treat injury recovery, but many people now use it preventively at home or even at standing desks. Just 10 minutes a day of gentle rocking and balancing can build strength in your ankles, knees, hips, and lower back. It also helps retrain your nervous system for better balance and coordination. For people with weak knees or recurring pain, this tool can help restore control. It's simple, durable, and surprisingly fun. Pain often comes from weakness. This board helps you fix it from the ground up. Pain isn't just something you have to live with anymore, not when technology and smart design are offering real, affordable relief. From heat wraps and acupressure mats to muscle stimulators and ergonomic upgrades, these 12 products are changing lives quietly and powerfully. Whether you're battling daily discomfort or trying to prevent bigger issues down the road, taking just one step today can lead to a better, pain-free tomorrow. Which product from this list are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got more genius problem-solving products coming your way very soon.